Hi, good day. I am Alfred Ace B. Mira. You can call me Ace, A, or AE. I am currently 17 years young, a grade 11 student, section PCAC here in CI, located in Balocanan CI, Zamboanga, Sibugay. I recently ran as Vice President on our SSLG election. I transferred here in CI National High School when I was grade 7. Before transferring, I was from Zamboanga City, and my elementary school name was Picoda Elementary, Zamboanga City. Many achievements there on Zamboanga City as a elementary student. I was part of the rankings for honor students from grade 1 to grade 6. I also joined the Boy Scouts, was recognized as best at knot tying, compass reading. Except from Boy Scouts, I've also joined different clubs, sports clubs, for example, volleyball, basketball, soccer, badminton, and many more. Academic clubs such as English reading. My hobbies are writing poems, writing songs. Apart from doing my hobbies for fun, I also use my hobbies writing poems or songs about her. Apart from that, I want to be a future lawyer and I have many dreams for myself. Hi, good day. I'm Alpha Days Senior High National High School. I recent I for my